Ever wonder how images are processed to create a smoother look, or how certain sensors work? Well, buckle up, because today we're going on a journey through the world of image processing and sensor technology. Our first stop is a concept known as opening. This basic monolithous morphological operation is a two-step process that involves erosion followed by dilation. It's like a digital sculptor smoothing the contour of an object, breaking narrow isthmuses and eliminating thin protrusions. It's like giving a photograph a little nip and tuck to create a refined, enhanced version of the original. Now let's shift gears and talk about active sensors. These guys are a little needy, requiring the application of external power for their operation. But don't be too quick to judge. They make up for it by modifying an excitation signal to produce an output. They're efficient, often matched to target characteristics, and capable of long-range operation. However, there's no such thing as a free lunch. They are more complex than passive sensors, which can make them less reliable. Our journey continues with another image processing concept called dilation. Imagine a stencil placed over an image. If at least one pixel in the stencil or structuring element coincides with a foreground pixel in the image underneath, then the input pixel changes to the foreground value. But if all corresponding pixels in the image are background, the input pixel maintains its original value. It's like a selective filter, making important features more prominent while leaving the rest untouched. Output. Lastly, we turn to the HSI Color Model. Humans describe color through three elements: hue, saturation, and brightness. Hue refers to the color attribute. Saturation speaks to the purity of the color, with white being 0 and primary color being 1. And brightness refers to the achromatic notion of intensity. It's like our very own language for color, allowing us to pinpoint and communicate specific shades with precision. To recap, we've covered the concept of opening in image processing, which smoothens and refines the object's contour. We've delved into the world of active sensors, which require external power, but are efficient and capable of long-range operation. We've also explored dilation, a selective filtering process that highlights important features in an image. Lastly, we've learned about the HSI Color Model, our human language for describing color. Remember, every complex concept started as a simple idea. The more we learn, the closer we get to understanding the beautiful complexity of the world around us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious.